Everyone to the May edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name's John McNamara, Highball Advisors, and I guess the word for the last month has been volatility, right? So it's just been a really crazy time in the markets. So you have a lot of, like I said, volatility, and that's all wrapped around the policy uncertainty of tariffs, right? But as I say, with chaos comes opportunity. So there's a lot of things you could be thinking about, from buying great companies at discounts is one thing to do, tax loss harvesting, that tax planning, Roth conversions, do your conversions while the market's down, it's cheaper. So there's a lot of things you can do instead of just hiding in your hole and trying to ride the market out, right? You got to be proactive when the opportunity comes. All right, so that's a little tip for this month. So listen, I have some great whiteboards this month. 7 railroad retirement quirks that can surprise married couples. Very, very important. Check that out. And the mailbag is on the same theme with the married, how waiting for your railroad retirement spousal annuity can be costly. Spousal annuity is just one of the greatest things in railroad retirement. Very, very beneficial. Check that out. Checklist, am I impacted by the Social Security Fairness Act? Still get a lot of questions about Social Security Fairness Act. I attached inside the newsletter a checklist that you can go through and see if that act is going to impact your financial plan. And then finally, the economic chart, the difference in the starts of this year versus last year. So last year at this time, the S&P was up around 25%, and life's great. Now, at the time of filming, we're down around 4% of the year. So, just kind of how that looks. And then there's other asset classes that you can look at in that chart. So, railroaders, have a great month. We'll see you next month. And until next time, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.